They laughed him to scorn.
They laughed him to scorn.
그들은 그를 조소했다.
They laughed nonstop.
They laughed nonstop.
그들은 멈추지 않고 웃었다.
They laughed themselves into convulsions.
They laughed themselves into convulsions.
그들은 포복절도를 했다.
They laughed together raucously.
They laughed together raucously.
그들은 다 함께 요란하게 웃어댔다.
They lay on the grass.
They lay on the grass.
그들은 잔디 위에 드러누웠다.
They lay wounded.
They lay wounded.
그들은 부상당해 누워있다.
They lead a cat and dog life.
They lead a cat and dog life.
그들은 견원지간이다.
They lead busy lives.
They lead busy lives.
그들은 바쁘게 살고 있다.
They leapt into action immediately.
They leapt into action immediately.
그들은 즉각 행동에 돌입했다.
They learn best by example.
They learn best by example.
아이들은 본보기를 통해서 가장 잘 배우죠.
They learned from somebody.
They learn from somebody.
그들은 다른 누군가로부터 배우는 것입니다.
They leave a messy trail.
They leave a messy trail.
그래서 그들은 지저분한 흔적을 남기지요.
They left and we remained.
They left and we remained.
그들은 떠나갔고 우리는 머물렀다.
They left before daylight.
They left before daylight.
그들은 해가 뜨기 전에 떠났다.
They left hand in hand, smiling.
They left hand in hand, smiling.
그들은 웃으며 손을 잡은 채로 있었어요.
They left in a jiffy.
They left in a jiffy.
그들은 즉시 떠났어요.
They left in the rain.
They left in the rain.
그들은 비가 오는데도 떠났어.
They left just before midnight.
They left just before midnight.
그들은 밤 12시 조금 전에 떠났다.
They left out a wheel.
They left out a wheel.
바퀴가 모자라요.
They left unexpectedly.
They left unexpectedly.
그들은 갑작스럽게 그만두었다.
They let anybody in.
They let anybody in.
아무나 들어갈 수 있어?
They let out triumphant yells.
They let out triumphant yells.
그들은 환호성을 질렀다.
They let the prisoners out.
They let the prisoners out.
그들은 죄수들을 풀어주었다.
They let us off lightly.
They let us off lightly.
그들은 우리를 가볍게 봐주었다.
They lied to me.
They lied to me.
저한테 거짓말했어요.
They light up like that.
They light up like that.
그렇게 조금씩 빛나요?
They like baseball very much.
They like baseball very much.
그들은 야구를 아주 좋아한다.
They like butterflies.
They like butterflies.
그들은 나비를 좋아합니다.
They like each other.
They like each other.
그들은 서로서로 좋아한다.
They like parachutes.
They like parachutes.
그들은 낙하산을 좋아한다.
They like salad very much.
They like salad very much.
그들은 샐러드를 무척 좋아한다.
They like to eat algae.
They like to eat algae.
그들은 해초 먹는 것을 좋아합니다.
They liked him the best.
They liked him the best.
그들은 그를 가장 좋아했다.
They lionized her.
They lionized her.
그들이 그녀를 우상으로 만들었다.
They lion like her.
They lion like her.
그들은 그 여자를 우상으로 만들었다.
They listen to music everywhere.
They listen to music everywhere.
그들은 음악을 어디에서나 듣는다.
They live across the river.
They live across the river.
그들은 강 건너편에 산다.
They live hardly.
They live hardly.
그들은 힘들게 생활한다.
They live in abject poverty.
They live in abject poverty.
그들은 극빈 속에 산다.
They live in affluent circumstances.
They live in affluent circumstances.
그들은 유복하게 지낸다.
They live in big groups.
They live in big groups.
캥거루는 무리 생활을 한다.
They live in Brisbane, Australia.
They live in Brisbane, Australia.
그들은 오스트레일리아의 브리스베인에 살아요.
They live in conjugal harmony.
They live in conjugal harmony.
그들은 부부관계의 조화 속에서 산다. 금슬이 좋다.
They live in England.
They live in England.
그들은 영국에 사세요.
They live in groups.
They live in groups.
그들은 무리를 지어서 삽니다.
They live in large groups.
They live in large groups.
큰 무리를 지어 생활한다.
They live in Seattle.
They live in Seattle.
그들은 시애틀에 살아요.
They live nearby.
They live nearby.
그들은 가까운 데 산다.
They live on rice.
They live on rice.
주식이 쌀이에요.
They live poorly / in poverty.
They live poorly / in poverty.
그들은 구차하게 살고 있다.
They live someplace remote.
They live someplace remote.
그들은 머나먼 어느 곳에 산다.
They lived happily ever after.
They lived happily ever after.
그들은 그 후 쭉 행복하게 살았단다. 행복한 결말로 끝나는 동화의 맺은 말.
They lived happily ever afterwards.
They lived happily ever afterwards.
그들은 그 후 내내 행복하게 잘 살았다. 동화를 끝맺을 때 흔히 씀.
They lived happily together.
They lived happily together.
그들은 함께 행복하게 살았습니다.
They lived hard by.
They lived hard by.
그들은 바로 근처에 살고 있었다.
They lived in close proximity.
They lived in close proximity.
그들은 아주 가까운 곳에서 살았다.
They loaded her with gifts.
They loaded her with gifts.
그들은 그녀에게 선물을 가득 안겨주었다.
They loathe each other.
They loathe each other.
그들은 서로를 혐오한다.
They locked the criminal away.
They locked the criminal away.
그들은 범인을 투옥했다.
They look alike.
They look alike.
그들은 서로 비슷하게 생겼다.
They look and feel traditional.
They look and feel traditional.
생김새와 느낌은 전통이다.
They look around the shop.
They look around the shop.
그들은 가게를 둘러보아요.
They look at fault.
They look at fault.
스토씨, 그들은 잘못이 있는 것 같습니다.
They look awesome.
They look awesome.
그들은 멋져 보인다.
They look bored.
They look bored.
그 사람들 지루해 보여요.
They look down on him.
They look down on him.
그들은 그를 무시했다.
They look eye to eye.
They look eye to eye.
그들이 서로 눈을 마주친다.
They look good on you.
They look good on you.
잘 어울려요.
They look good together.
They look good together.
진짜 잘 어울리셨어요.
They look great on him.
They look great on him.
그들은 그에게 잘 어울립니다.
They look great.
They look great.
정말 예쁘다.
They look like a couple.
They look like a couple.
그들은 커플처럼 보인다.
They look like brand new clothes.
They look like brand new clothes.
새 옷 같은데요.
They look like Hallyu actors.
They look like Hallyu actors.
한류 배우 같아.
They look like little faces.
They look like little faces.
그들은 작은 얼굴처럼 생겼다.
They look like monkeys.
They look like monkeys.
그들은 원숭이처럼 보인다.
They look like silver waves.
They look like silver waves.
그들은 마치 은빛 물결 같아 보여요.
They look like white elephants.
They look like white elephants.
그들은 성가신 사람처럼 보여.
They look magical.
They look magical.
그들은 마법처럼 보였다.
They look nice on you.
They look nice on you.
내가 신으니 예뻐.
They look pretty promising.
They look pretty promising.
아주 밝아요.
They look real, don't they?
They look real, don't they?
그들이 진짜처럼 보이지 않나요?
They look really cool.
They look really cool.
정말 시원해 보이죠?
They look sharp.
They look sharp.
세련돼 보인다.
They look so alike.
They look so alike.
그 애들은 너무 닮았어요.
They look so cool.
They look so cool.
그들은 너무 시원해 보입니다.
They look so cool.
They look so cool.
그들은 정말 시원해 보입니다.
They look so good together.
They look so good together.
그 둘은 서로 정말 잘 어울려요.
They look so happy together.
They look so happy together.
서로 너무 행복해 보인다.
They looked excited and energetic.
They looked excited and energetic.
그들은 생기 있고 힘이 넘쳐 보였습니다.
They looked in a hurry.
They looked in a hurry.
그들은 분주한 듯 했다.
They looked like school uniforms.
They looked like school uniforms.
그것들은 교복 같아 보였다.
They looked more like sisters.
They looked more like sisters.
그 사람들은 마치 자매 같았어.
They looked poor and unhealthy.
They looked poor and unhealthy.
그들은 가난하고 건강하지 못해 보였다.
They looked very delicious.
They looked very delicious.
블루베리는 매우 맛이 있어 보였다.
They looked very hungry, famished, starved.
They looked very hungry, famished, starved.
그들은 매우 허기져 보였다.
They looks brutal.
They looks brutal.
야만적인 것 같아.
They looted the pension fund.
They looted the pension fund.
연금을 횡령했어요.
They lord it over outsiders.
They lord it over outsiders.
그들은 외지인들에게 텃세를 부렸다.
They lost the tournament.
They lost the tournament.
그들은 시합에 졌다.
They love drinking.
They love drinking.
그들은 술 마시길 좋아한다.
They love my candy.
They love my candy.
내 캔디를 맘에 들어 한다고?
They loved each other.
They loved each other.
서로 사랑하고 있었다.
They loved it.
They loved it.
그게 마음에 든대.
They loved me.
They loved me.
내가 아주 맘에 든대.
They loved my handmade chocolate.
They loved my handmade chocolate.
그들은 나의 수제 초콜릿을 굉장히 좋아했어.
They made a camp.
They made a camp.
그들은 진을 쳤어요.
They made a crooked deal.
They made a crooked deal.
그들은 부정직한 거래를 했다.
They made a decision hereon.
They made a decision hereon.
그들은 그에 따라 결정을 내렸다.
They made a family ensemble.
They made a family ensemble.
그들은 가족 합주단을 만들었다.
They made a happy couple.
They made a happy couple.
두 사람은 행복한 부부가 되었다.
They made a racy trailer.
They made a racy trailer.
그들은 신선한 예고편을 만들었어요.
They made a wonderful showing.
They made a wonderful showing.
그들은 훌륭한 성적을 올렸다.
They made an array.
They made an array.
쭉 늘어섰다.
They made an attractive offer.
They made an attractive offer.
그들은 매력적인 제안을 했다.
They made eye contact.
They made eye contact.
그들의 시선이 마주쳤다.
They made him go.
They made him go.
그들은 그를 가게 했다.
They made his legacy known.
They made his legacy known.
그들은 그의 유산을 알렸다.
They made me drink.
They made me drink.
그들이 나에게 술을 억지로 마시게 했다.
They made Microsoft in 1975.
They made Microsoft in 1975.
그들은 1975년에 마이크로소프트를 만들었다.
They made no response.
They made no response.
그들은 아무 대응이 없었다.
They made out last night.
They made out last night.
그 애들 어젯밤에 키스했어.
They made the rope do.
They made the rope do.
그들은 밧줄로 임시 변통했다.
They made up.
They made up.
그들은 화해했다.
They mainly eat insects.
They mainly eat insects.
그들은 주로 곤충을 먹습니다.
They make a good-looking pair.
They make a good-looking pair.
그들은 멋진 한 쌍이다.
They make great pets.
They make great pets.
그들은 충직한 동반자들이다.
They make me feel great.
They make me feel great.
그것들은 나를 설레이게 해.
They make our lives easier.
They make our lives easier.
그분들 덕에 우리가 편하게 사는 거잖아.
They make table of wood.
They make table of wood.
그들은 책상을 나무로 만든다.
They make your life happier.
They make your life happier.
그들은 여러분의 인생을 더 행복하게 해줍니다.
They make your life happier.
They make your life happier.
그들은 여러분의 삶을 더 행복하게 해줍니다.
They marched in silence.
They marched in silence.
그들은 묵묵히 행진했다.
They married by mutual consent.
They married by mutual consent.
저희끼리 결혼해 버렸다.
They married over a broomstick.
They married over a broomstick.
그들은 동거 생활을 했다.
They may be offices.
They may be offices.
그것들이 아마 사무실일 거다.
They may be right.
They may be right.
그 말이 맞을지도 모르겠군.
They may become addicted.
They may become addicted.
그들은 중독이 될 수도 있다.
They may break up.
They may break up.
두 사람은 헤어질지도 모른다.
They may change their minds.
They may change their minds.
그들 마음이 바뀔지도 몰라요.
They may chase after you.
They may chase after you.
개들이 여러분을 쫓아올지도 모르니까요.
They may damage your health.
They may damage your health.
그것들은 당신의 건강을 해칠 수도 있어요.
They may develop other problems.
They may develop other problems.
인터넷 중독은 다른 문제를 일으킬 수도 있다.
They may have arrived.
They may have arrived.
그들이 도착했을지도 몰라.
They may have to amputate.
They may have to amputate.
그들이 절단 수술을 해야 할지도 모른다.
They may hurt you.
They may hurt you.
그들은 여러분을 다치게 할 수도 있습니다.
They may notice your absence.
They may notice your absence.
그들이 당신의 부재를 눈치챌지도 모른다.
They may roll their eyes.
They may roll their eyes.
그들은 눈동자를 굴린다.
They may run around quickly.
They may run around quickly.
그들은 주변을 빠르게 돌아다닐 수도 있다.
They may well win.
They may well win.
그들이 충분히 이길 수도 있다.
They mean caution.
They mean caution.
이 표시는 주의를 의미한다.
They meander back and forth.
They meander back and forth.
그것들은 앞뒤로 굽이쳐 흐릅니다.
They measure short distances.
They measure short distances.
그것들은 단거리를 잰다.
They measure weight.
They measure weight.
그들은 몸무게를 잰다.
They mediated a settlement.
They mediated a settlement.
그들은 화해를 이뤄냈다.
They meet again tomorrow afternoon.
They meet again tomorrow afternoon.
그들은 내일 오후에 다시 만난다.
They mentioned him again today.
They mentioned him again today.
그들은 오늘 다시 그에 대해서 이야기했다.
They prefer damp, dark environments.
They prefer damp, dark environments.
그들은 습하고 어두운 환경을 더 좋아한답니다.
They prefer using email.
They prefer using email.
그들은 이메일 이용하는 걸 더 좋아해.
They prefer wide open spaces.
They prefer wide open spaces.
송골매는 넓게 트인 곳을 좋아한다.
They pre-orchestrated this.
They pre-orchestrated this.
이거 미리 짠 거 아니야?
They pressed against each other.
They pressed against each other.
그들은 서로 밀치락달치락했다.
They pressed her with questions.
They pressed her with questions.
그들은 그녀를 질문 공세로 괴롭혔다.
They pressed the panic button.
They pressed the panic button.
그들이 당황했다.
They repainted the buildings.
They repainted the buildings.
건물 도색을 다시 했어요.
They require a minimum balance.
They require a minimum balance.
최소 잔액을 유지해야 한다.
They started without you.
They started without you.
이미 출발하셨거든요.
They stayed in adjoining rooms.
They stayed in adjoining rooms.
그들은 서로 붙어 있는 방에 묵었다.
They think we're fools.
They think we're fools.
그들은 우리를 바보로 아나 봐요.
They thought he had pneumonia.
They thought he had pneumonia.
그들은 그가 폐렴을 앓았다고 생각했다.
They thought he went home.
They thought he went home.
그들은 그가 집에 갔다고 생각했는데
They used their tongues.
They used their tongues.
그들은 혀를 사용합니다.
They were disproportionately faith schools.
They were disproportionately faith schools.
그것들은 편중되게 선교 학교들이었다.
They won't change everything, though.
They won't change everything, though.
하지만 그들은 모든 것을 바꾸지는 않을 것이다.
They won't do it.
They won't do it.
해주시진 않네요.
They won't even notice.
They won't even notice.
그들은 눈치채지도 못할 것입니다.
They won't get anything accomplished.
They won't get anything accomplished.
그들은 아무것도 해내지 못할 것이다.
They won't get suspicious.
They won't get suspicious.
그들이 의심하게 되지 않을 거야?
They won't go for that.
They won't go for that.
그들은 그것에 찬성하지 않을 것이다.
They won't go, surely.
They won't go, surely.
그들이 가지는 않겠지, 설마.
They mesh well together.
They mesh well together.
그들은 톱니바퀴처럼 손발이 잘 맞는다.
They met at work.
They met at work.
그들은 직장에서 만났어요.
They met by chance.
They met by chance.
그들은 우연히 만났다.
They met by pure chance.
They met by pure chance.
그들은 순전히 우연히 만났다.
They met him yesterday.
They met him yesterday.
그들은 어제 그를 만났다.
They met through matchmaking.
They met through matchmaking.
그들은 중매로 알게 되었다.
They might bring you down.
They might bring you down.
그들은 너를 의기소침하게 할런지도 몰라.
They might have arrested you.
They might have arrested you.
그들은 마음만 먹었다면 너를 체포할 수도 있었다.
They might have arrived.
They might have arrived.
그들이 도착했을 수도 있어.
They might make an exception.
They might make an exception.
예외로 봐줄지도 모르죠.
They might not have friends.
They might not have friends.
그들은 친구를 사귀지 못할 수 있다.
They might not like me.
They might not like me.
그들은 나를 좋아하지 않을지도 몰라.
They might retire early instead.
They might retire early instead.
그들은 대신에 일찍 퇴직할 수도 있다.
They mingled tears.
They mingled tears.
그들은 함께 울었다.
They mingled their tears.
They mingled their tears.
그들은 함께 울었다.
They misbehaved all evening.
They misbehaved all evening.
그 애들은 저녁 내내 버릇없이 굴더라.
They miss you like crazy.
They miss you like crazy.
그들은 당신을 미치도록 보고 싶어 한다.
They missed Marley very much.
They missed Marley very much.
그들은 말리를 몹시 그리워했다.
They misspelled my name.
They misspelled my name.
내 이름 철자가 잘못된 거 있지?
They mistook license for liberty.
They mistook license for liberty.
그들은 방종을 자유라고 착각하였다.
They mostly sell garments.
They mostly sell garments.
그들은 주로 옷을 판매한다.
They motorcycled through the southwest.
They motorcycled through the southwest.
그들은 오토바이를 타고 남서부 일대를 돌아다녔다.
They move around the sun.
They move around the sun.
그것들은 태양 주변을 돈다.
They move so quickly.
They move so quickly.
너무 순간적으로 지나가.
They move their arse.
They move their arse.
그들은 자리를 죄었다.
They multiply like rabbits.
They multiply like rabbits.
그들은 빨리 증식한다.
They must be heartily congratulated.
They must be heartily congratulated.
그들을 충심으로 축하해야 한다.
They must be here now.
They must be here now.
그들은 지금 여기 있어야 돼.
They must be scared stiff.
They must be scared stiff.
그들이 즐겁했음에 틀림없어요.
They must be stinking rich.
They must be stinking rich.
그들이 틀림없이 엄청 부자인가 봐.
They must be stopped.
They must be stopped.
그들이 그만두게 해야 한다.
They must be twins.
They must be twins.
그들은 쌍둥이가 틀림없다.
They must be your mothers.
They must be your mothers.
엄마 거겠지?
They must English study hard.
They must English study hard.
그들은 영어 공부를 열심히 해야만 한다.
They must have been speeding.
They must have been speeding.
그들은 분명 과속하고 있었을 겁니다.
They must know English.
They must know English.
그들은 영어를 알아야 한다.
They must not do it.
They must not do it.
그들은 그것을 해서는 안 된다.
They must surely to congratulate it.
They must surely to congratulate it.
그들을 확실히 축하해야 한다.
They must wear a swimsuit.
They must wear a swimsuit.
그들은 반드시 수영복을 입어야만 해.
They must have been devastated.
They must have been devastated.
처참했겠어요.
They must have lost their way.
They must have lost their way.
그들은 분명히 길을 잃어버렸을 것이다.
They named the baby Abner.
They named the baby Abner.
그들은 아기를 에브너라고 이름 지었다.
They named the baby Mary.
They named the baby Mary.
그들은 그 아기를 메리라고 이름 지었다.
They named the baby Ronald.
They named the baby Ronald.
그들은 아기의 이름을 로널드라고 지었다.
They named their creation Rex.
They named their creation Rex.
그들은 이 창조물에 렉스라는 이름을 붙였다.
They named their son John.
They named their son John.
그들은 아들 이름을 존이라고 지었다.
They narrowly avoided an accident.
They narrowly avoided an accident.
그들은 가까스로 사고가 일어나는 것을 막았다. 이씨.
They narrowly avoided defeat.
They narrowly avoided defeat.
그들은 간신히 패배를 면했다.
They narrowly missed a fistfight.
They narrowly missed a fist fight.
두 사람은 하마터면 주먹질을 할 뻔했다.
They need a scapegoat.
They need a scapegoat.
그들은 희생양을 필요로 해.
They need constant attention.
They need constant attention.
늘 주의가 필요하잖아.
They need guidance.
They need guidance.
이들에겐 지도가 필요하다.
They need me ASAP.
They need me ASAP.
제가 가능하면 빨리 필요하대요.
They need more level heads.
They need more level heads.
그들은 공정하고도 냉정한 판단이 필요하다.
They need something to fear.
They need something to fear.
그들, 범죄자들은 두려워할 존재가 필요해요.
They need tightening.
They need tightening.
조여줄 필요가 있네요.
They need to evolve.
They need to evolve.
그들은 진화해야 해.
They need to keep awake.
They need to keep awake.
그들은 깨어 있어야 한다.
They needed new jerseys.
They needed new jerseys.
그들이 새 운동복 상의가 필요했거든.
They neither denied nor confirmed.
They neither denied nor confirmed.
그들은 긍정도 부정도 하지 않았다.
They never had a chance.
They never had a chance.
놈들은 아예 가망이 없었소.
They never made mistakes.
They never made mistakes.
그들은 결코 실수를 하지 않았다.
They never meet quarreling.
They never meet quarreling.
그들은 만나기만 하면 다툰다.
They never meet without quarreling.
They never meet without quarreling.
그들은 만나기만 하면 꼭 다툰다.
They never speak to me.
They never speak to me.
그들은 나에게 말을 걸지 않아.
They never told me that.
They never told me that.
그들은 한 번도 그것을 말해주지 않았어.
They never took it away.
They never took it away.
원래 무너지지도 않은 거예요.
They nicknamed him Batman.
They nicknamed him Batman.
그 애들은 그에게 배트맨이라는 별명을 붙였어요.
They nodded in silent agreement.
They nodded in silent agreement.
그들은 묵시적으로 동의하며 고개를 끄덕였다.
They nodded off.
They nodded off.
그들은 고개 끄덕이며 졸았다.
They objected to the plan.
They objected to the plan.
그들은 그 계획에 반대했다.
They occupied the building illegally.
They occupied the building illegally.
그들은 그 건물을 불법 점거했다.
They offer families extended benefits.
They offer families extended benefits.
가족들에게 확대된 혜택을 제공한다.
They offer free onboard Wi-Fi.
They offer free onboard Wi-Fi.
그들은 선내 무료 WiFi를 제공합니다.
They offered me a bed.
They offered me a bed.
그들은 나에게 침대를 제공했다.
They offered me a deal.
They offered me a deal.
그들이 나에게 협상을 제안했어.
They offered me a raise.
They offered me a raise.
그들은 제게 임금 인상을 제의했어요.
They offered me an apology.
They offered me an apology.
그들이 나에게 사과를 해왔다.
They offered me dinner.
They offered me dinner.
그들은 나에게 저녁 식사를 제안했어.
They offered me the moon.
They offered me the moon.
그들은 나에게 엄청난 것을 제안했어.
They often argue for nothing.
They often argue for nothing.
그들은 별것도 아닌 일로 자주 다퉈요.
They often eat half-rotten meat.
They often eat half-rotten meat.
주머니 곰은 종종 반쯤 부패한 고기를 먹고는 한다.
They often fall to loggerheads.
They often fall to loggerheads.
그들은 종종 서로 주먹질을 시작한다.
They often fought and argued.
They often fought and argued.
그들은 종종 싸우거나 논쟁을 벌였다.
They often go fishing.
They often go fishing.
그들은 자주 낚시를 간다.
They often make people confused.
They often make people confused.
그들은 종종 사람들을 헷갈리게 해요.
They often travel by bus.
They often travel by bus.
그들은 종종 버스로 여행을 한다.
They often use inferior toner.
They often use inferior toner.
종종 질 낮은 토너를 사용한다.
They only look alike.
They only look alike.
그들은 서로 닮았을 뿐이다.
They only pack a little.
They only pack a little.
조금만 챙긴다.
They only sell cash and carry.
They only sell cash and carry.
현금 판매뿐입니다.
They opposed violence to violence.
They opposed violence to violence.
그들은 폭력에 대하여 폭력으로 맞섰다.
They organized parties for singles.
They organized parties for singles.
그들이 독신자들을 위한 파티를 주선한다.
They organized themselves differently.
They organized themselves differently.
그것들은 서로 다르게 조직된다.
They ought to apologize.
They ought to apologize.
그들은 사과를 해야 한다.
They outnumber us.
They outnumber us.
그들은 수에 있어서 우리들보다 우세하다.
They overlap each other.
They overlap each other.
그들은 서로 겹쳐 있다.
They overwhelmed me with questions.
They overwhelmed me with questions.
그들은 질문 공세로 나를 질리게 했다.
They owned a flower shop.
They owned a flower shop.
그들은 꽃 가게를 했다.
They paid him today.
They paid him today.
오늘 그들이 그에게 돈을 냈어.
They painted the house white.
They painted the house white.
그들은 그 집을 흰색으로 칠했다.
They paired off into couples.
They paired off into couples.
그들은 각각 짝을 지었다.
They parceled out the kitties.
They parceled out the kitties.
그들은 새끼 고양이를 다른 사람에게 분양했다.
They passed around a towel.
They passed around a towel.
그들은 수건을 돌렸다.
They passes through the village.
They passes through the village.
그들은 그 마을을 빠져나갔다.
They pay their own way.
They pay their own way.
그들은 빚지지 않고 살아갑니다.
They pay through the nose.
They pay through the nose.
그들은 터무니없이 많은 돈을 썼어.
They pay us chicken feed.
They pay us chicken feed.
쥐꼬리만한 월급을 준다.
They penetrate in the schools.
They penetrate in the schools.
그들은 학교에 침투한다.
They perfectly understood our position.
They perfectly understood our position.
그들이 우리의 입장을 충분히 이해하고 있습니다.
They performed a contract.
They performed a contract.
그들은 계약을 이행했다.
They picked chestnuts last Saturday.
They picked chestnuts last Saturday.
그들은 지난 토요일 밤을 땄다.
They picketed with signs.
They picketed with signs.
그들은 피켓을 들고 시위를 벌였다.
They pigged out on pizza.
They pigged out on pizza.
그들은 피자를 돼지같이 먹었다.
They piled up huge debt.
They piled up huge debt.
그 사람들은 엄청난 채무를 누적시켰어.
They pitched by a hillside.
They pitched by a hillside.
그들은 산비탈 옆에 천막을 쳤다.
They planned a surprise party.
They planned a surprise party.
그들은 깜짝 파티를 계획했다.
They planned to get married.
They planned to get married.
그들은 결혼하기로 작정했다.
They planned to tighten security.
They planned to tighten security.
그들은 보안을 더 엄격하게 하기로 계획했다.
They play baseball.
They play baseball.
그들은 야구를 한다.
They play jump rope.
They play jump rope.
줄넘기를 한다.
They played a deep game.
They played a deep game.
그들은 음흉한 계략을 꾸몄다.
They played different games.
They played different games.
여러 가지 게임도 했다.
They played fair and square.
They played fair and square.
그들은 공정하고 동등하게 경기를 했어요.
They played fair.
They played fair.
그들은 공정하게 경기를 했어요.
They played house.
They played house.
그들은 바람을 피웠다.
They played pungal enthusiastically.
They played pummel enthusiastically.
그들은 신명나게 풍물을 쳤다.
They played roughly.
They played roughly.
그들은 거칠게 놀았다.
They played soccer together.
They played soccer together.
그들은 함께 축구를 했습니다.
They played till 6.
They played till 6.
그들은 6시까지 놀았다.
They played without any shoes.
They played without any shoes.
그들은 신발을 신지 않고 경기를 뛰었습니다.
They pleaded guilty.
They pleaded guilty.
그들은 유죄라고 주장했다.
They plunged into a quarrel.
They plunged into a quarrel.
갑자기 말다툼을 시작했다.
They pointed out it specifically.
They pointed out it specifically.
그걸 되게 콕 집어서 얘기를 하더라고요.
They popped.
They popped.
터져버렸어요.
They prayed devoutly.
They prayed devoutly.
그들은 절실하게 기도했다.
They prayed for rain.
They prayed for rain.
그들은 비를 내려달라고 빌었다.
They predict earthquakes and floods.
They predict earthquakes and floods.
그들은 지진과 홍수를 예측한다.
They pretended to be friends.
They pretended to be friends.
그들은 친구인 것처럼 행동했다.
They probably know the reason.
They probably know the reason.
그들은 아마 이유를 알고 있을 거야.
They proceeded to the north.
They proceeded to the north.
그들은 북쪽으로 향했어요.
They procrastinated for 3 months.
They procrastinated for 3 months.
그들은 3개월 동안 일을 미뤘다.
They produce no pollution.
They produce no pollution.
전기 자동차들은 공해를 배출하지 않는다.
They promised to help us.
They promised to help us.
그들은 우리를 돕기로 약속했다.
They promoted him captain.
They promoted him captain.
그들은 그를 캐프턴으로 승진시켰다.
They pronounced the founding father.
They pronounced the founding father.
그들은 건국의 아버지를 기렸다.
They protect your fingertips.
They protect your fingertips.
그것들은 여러분의 손가락 끝을 보호해줘요.
They protested vocally.
They protested vocally.
그들은 소리 높여 항의했다.
They provide a cheap service.
They provide a cheap service.
그들은 저질 서비스를 제공하고 있다.
They provide comfort for patients.
They provide comfort for patients.
환자들에게 위안을 준다.
They provide for contingencies.
They provide for contingencies.
그들은 불의의 사고에 대비한다.
They provide good after-sales service.
They provide good after-sales service.
그들은 훌륭한 애즈를 제공해요.
They provide good customer service.
They provide good customer service.
그들은 훌륭한 고객 서비스를 제공합니다.
They provided only skimpy details.
They provided only skimpy details.
그들은 세부 내용을 아주 적게 제공했다.
They provided us with food.
They provided us with food.
그들은 우리에게 음식을 제공했습니다.
They publish a bi-weekly newspaper.
They publish a bi-weekly newspaper.
그들은 격주로 신문을 발행한다.
They publish a bi-weekly.
They publish a bi-weekly.
그들은 격주지를 발행한다.
They published my paper.
They published my paper.
내 논문이 신문에 나왔어.
They pulled out for home.
They pulled out for home.
그들은 고향, 집을 향해 출발했다.
They pulled their freight silently.
They pulled their freight silently.
그들은 조용히 사라졌다.
They pulled towards the shore.
They pulled towards the shore.
그들은 해안 쪽으로 노를 저었다.
They pulled 2 oars.
They pulled 2 oars.
그들은 2개의 노를 저었다.
They purposed opening a restaurant.
They purposed opening a restaurant.
그는 식당을 열려고 생각하고 있었다.
They put Bill in ward.
They put Bill in ward.
그들이 비를 감금했다.
They put disinfectant today. Disinfectant.
They put disinfectant today. Disinfectant.
소독약 뿌렸어. 소독약.
They put that in.
They put that in.
집어넣은 거예요.
They put them on me.
They put them on me.
그 옷을 이렇게 해주셨어요.
They put up hidden cameras.
They put up hidden cameras.
몰래카메라를 설치해 놓았습니다.
They quarrel constantly.
They quarrel constantly.
그들은 늘 아웅다웅한다.
They quarrel in public.
They quarrel in public.
그들은 공공연히 싸운다.
They quarrel whenever they meet.
They quarrel whenever they meet.
그들은 만나기만 하면 싸운다.
They quarreled among themselves.
They quarreled among themselves.
저희들끼리 서로 싸웠다.
They quarreled for nothing.
They quarreled for nothing.
그들은 까닭 없이 다투었다.
They quarreled over money.
They quarreled over money.
그들은 돈 문제로 말다툼했다.
They raised the price.
They raised the price.
그들은 값을 올렸어요.
They raked it up.
They raked it up.
그들은 그것을 긁어 모았다.
They ran deers.
They ran deers.
그들은 사슴 사냥을 했다.
They ran him for governor.
They ran him for governor.
그들은 그를 지사에 출마하게 했다.
They ran me very close.
They ran me very close.
그들은 경주에서 바싹내 뒤를 따라왔다.
They ran neck and neck.
They ran neck and neck.
그 사람들 막상막하였어.
They ran out of money.
They ran out of money.
그들은 돈이 떨어졌다.
They ran out of toothpaste.
They ran out of toothpaste.
그들은 치약이 다 떨어졌다.
They ran over the grass.
They ran over the grass.
그들은 풀밭 위를 가로질러 달려갔다.
They ran short of provisions.
They ran short of provisions.
그들은 식량이 떨어졌다.
They ran to arms.
They ran to arms.
그들은 무력에 호소했다.
They ran to her aid.
They ran to her aid.
그들은 그녀를 도우러 달려갔다.
They ran toward the river.
They ran toward the river.
그들은 강 쪽으로 뛰어갔다.
They ran slash walked three abreast.
They ran slash walked three abreast.
그들은 셋이서 나란히 뛰었다 걸었다.
They rang up each other.
They rang up each other.
그들은 서로 통화했다.
They rarely come into market.
They rarely come into market.
시장엔 거의 나오지 않는다.
They rarely get a sunburn.
They rarely get a sunburn.
그들은 좀처럼 타지 않는다.
They rarely go anywhere else.
They rarely go anywhere else.
황제 펭귄은 이곳에서 거의 벗어나지 않는다.
They rarely hope for promotion.
They rarely hope for promotion.
그들은 거의 승진을 희망하지도 않습니다.
They rattled past.
They rattled past.
그들이 차를 타고 덜컹거리며 지나갔다.
They rattled up the anchor.
They rattled up the anchor.
그들이 덜커덩거리며 닻을 올렸다.
They raved about their trip.
They raved about their trip.
그들은 여행에 관해서 정신없이 이야기했다.
They reached a satisfactory compromise.
They reached a satisfactory compromise.
그들은 만족할 만한 타협을 보았다.
They reached an amicable agreement.
They reached an amicable agreement.
그들은 원만한 합의에 도달했다.
They reached port at last.
They reached port at last.
그들은 마침내 항구에 도착했다.
They really cheer me up.
They really cheer me up.
정말 힘이 나는 것 같아요.
They really crack me up.
They really crack me up.
그들 때문에 정말 빵 터졌다.
They really encouraged me.
They really encouraged me.
그들은 정말로 저를 북돋아 주셨죠.
They really hit it off.
They really hit it off.
그들은 정말 친해.
They really hurt my feelings.
They really hurt my feelings.
그것들은 정말로 내 감정을 상하게 했다.
They really irk me.
They really irk me.
정말 짜증나게 하네.
They really itch.
They really itch.
그곳들이 정말 가려워요.
They really like me though.
They really like me, though.
그래도 날 진짜 좋아하는 것 같아.
They really like you.
They really like you.
부모님은 너를 정말 좋아하시는데
They really look good together.
They really look good together.
그들 둘은 정말 잘 어울려.
They really won't tell me.
They really won't tell me.
그들이 진짜 안 알려줘요.
They receive signals from satellites.
They receive signals from satellites.
위성으로부터 신호를 받는다.
They received a negative reply.
They received a negative reply.
그들은 거절하는 대답을 들었다.
They received a standing ovation.
They received a standing ovation.
그들은 기립 박수를 받았다.
They reckon on our help.
They reckon on our help.
그들은 우리의 도움을 기대하고 있어?
They recognized him instantly.
They recognized him instantly.
그들은 곧 그를 알아보았다.
They recovered fully.
They recovered fully.
그들은 완전히 회복되었다.
They redecorated.
They redecorated.
새 단장했나 보지?
They redirected the satellite.
They redirected the satellite.
위성 방향을 바꿨어요.
They refused him a visa.
They refused him a visa.
그들이 그의 비자 발급을 거부했다.
They refused me permission.
They refused me permission.
나는 허가를 얻을 수 없었다.
They regard this seriously.
They regard this seriously.
그들은 이것을 중대시합니다.
They regularly conduct a seminar.
They regularly conduct a seminar.
그들은 정기적으로 세미나를 연다.
They regulate finances into normalcy.
They regulate finances into normalcy.
그들은 재정을 정상 상태로 조정한다.
They relapsed into silence.
They relapsed into silence.
그들은 다시 침묵 속에 잠겼다.
They released a new model.
They released a new model.
그들은 신모델을 출시했다.
They rely on muscle memory.
They rely on muscle memory.
근육이 기억하는 대로 하는 거잖아.
They remained close friends.
They remained close friends.
그들은 쭉 가까운 친구로 지냈다.
They remained on the spot.
They remained on the spot.
그들은 현장에 남아 있었다.
They rendered him helpless.
They rendered him helpless.
그들은 그를 어쩔 수 없게 만들었다.
They resisted for decades.
They resisted for decades.
그들은 수십 년 동안 거부해왔습니다.
They resisted stoutly.
They resisted stoutly.
그들은 완강히 저항했다.
They resisted stubbornly/vigorously.
They resisted stubbornly / vigorously.
그들은 완강히 저항했다.
They resisted the enemy bravely.
They resisted the enemy bravely.
그들은 적에 용감히 저항했다.
They resisted the enemy stubbornly.
They resisted the enemy stubbornly.
그들은 적에게 완강히 저항했다.
They resisted the occupation army.
They resisted the occupation army.
그들은 점령군에게 반항했다.
They retreated before the enemy.
They retreated before the enemy.
그들은 적과 마주치자 후퇴했다.
They revealed his scandal.
They revealed his scandal.
그들은 그의 스캔들을 폭로했어요.
They revealed it? Yes.
They revealed it? Yes.
밝혀졌다고? 네.
They reveled all night long.
They reveled all night long.
그들은 밤새껏 뚱땅거리며 놀았다.
They revenged their dead cruelly.
They revenged their dead cruelly.
그들은 무자비한 방법으로 죽은 사람의 원한을 갚았다.
They revoked his privilege.
They revoked his privilege.
그들은 그의 특전을 취소하였다.
They rigged down the rope.
They rigged down the rope.
그들은 밧줄을 뗐다.
They ripped off passing drunks.
They ripped off passing drunks.
그들은 지나가는 취객들을 상대로 주머니를 털었다.
They roared the speaker down.
They roared the speaker down.
청중은 연사를 큰 소리로 야유하여 말을 못하게 했다.
They robbed passing drunks.
They robbed passing drunks.
그들은 지나가는 취객들을 상대로 주머니를 털었다.
They rocked on the party.
They rocked on the party.
그들은 파티를 즐겼다.
They rode buses and subways.
They rode buses and subways.
그들은 버스와 지하철을 탔다.
They rose against the oppressor.
They rose against the oppressor.
그들은 압제자에 항거하여 일어섰다.
They rose as one man.
They rose as one man.
그들은 일제히 일어났다.
They roughly pushed her forward.
They roughly pushed her forward.
그들은 거칠게 그녀를 앞으로 밀쳤다.
They rode up the river.
They rode up the river.
그들은 배로 강을 거슬러 올라갔다.
They ruled it an accident.
They ruled it an accident.
그들은 그것을 사고로 규정했어.
They run every 10 minutes.
They run every 10 minutes.
10분 간격으로 운행합니다.
They run for exercise.
They run for exercise.
그들은 운동을 위하여 달립니다.
They run the shop.
They run the shop.
그들은 그 상점을 운영하고 있다.
They run until 7 p.m.
They run until 7 p.m.
오후 7시까지입니다.
They rushed me shockingly.
They rushed me shockingly.
그들이 나에게 충격적일 정도로 터무니없는 값을 불렀다.
They rushed the bill through.
They rushed the bill through.
그들은 법안을 날치기로 통과시켰다.
They rushed the enemy.
They rushed the enemy.
그들은 적을 급습했다.
They rushed to the falls.
They rushed to the falls.
사람들은 폭포로 몰려갔습니다.
They rushed to the station.
They rushed to the station.
그들은 와르르 역으로 몰려갔다.
They rushed toward me.
They rushed toward me.
그들이 나를 향해 달려들었다.
They said both is pretty.
They said both is pretty.
둘 다 이쁘대.
They said cry enough.
They said cry enough.
그들은 항복이라고 말했다.
They said he committed suicide.
They said he committed suicide.
그들은 그가 자살했다고 말했다.
They said he has pneumonia.
They said he has pneumonia.
그들은 그가 폐렴을 앓고 있다고 말했다.
They said he missed practice.
They said he missed practice.
그들은 그가 연습에 불참했다고 말했다.
They said I am overqualified.
They said I am overqualified.
그 사람들 말이 내가 자격 초과라는 거예요.
They said I wasn't qualified.
They said I wasn't qualified.
내가 자격을 갖추지 못했다고 하더라고.
They said it arrived damaged.
They said it arrived damaged.
선적품이 파손된 채 도착했대요.
They said it was controversial.
They said it was controversial.
그들은 그것이 논란의 여지가 있다고 말했었다.
They said nothing either way.
They said nothing either way.
그들은 긍정도 부정도 하지 않았다.
They said we did well.
They said we did well.
잘 마무리했다고 하시네요.
They said we're idols.
They said we're idols.
아이돌이래요.
They said you look snobbish.
They said you look snobbish.
거만해 보인대요.
They said you were leaving.
They said you were leaving.
소식을 전해준 사람들은 내가 떠난다고 했지.
They sang with gusto.
They sang with gusto.
그들은 열정적으로 노래했다.
They sank differences today.
They sank differences today.
오늘 그들은 화해했다.
They sat around the fire.
They sat around the fire.
그들은 불 주위에 둘러앉았다.
They sat around the table.
They sat around the table.
그들은 식탁 주위에 둘러앉았다.
They sat close together.
They sat close together.
그들은 서로 가까이 앉아 있었다.
They sat down to dinner.
They sat down to dinner.
그들은 만찬을 들려고 자리에 앉았다.
They sat face to face.
They sat face to face.
그들은 마주보고 앉았다.
They sat in rows.
They sat in rows.
그들은 줄을 지어 앉아 있었다.
They sat in thoughtful silence.
They sat in thoughtful silence.
그들은 말없이 생각에 잠겨 앉아 있었다.
They sat pretty.
They sat pretty.
그들은 유리한 입장이었다. 그들은 꽤나 잘 산다.
They sat very still.
They sat very still.
그들은 쥐죽은 듯이 조용하게 앉아 있었습니다.
They saved millions.
They saved millions.
그들은 수백만의 사람들을 살렸다.
They saw a body movie.
They saw a body movie.
그들은 외설영화를 관람했다.
They saw me eat something.
They saw me eat something.
그들은 내가 뭔가를 먹는 것을 봤어.
They saw no one.
They saw no one.
그들은 아무도 보지 못했다.
They saw the rabbit running.
They saw the rabbit running.
그들은 토끼가 뛰는 것을 보았다.
They saw the sick donkey.
They saw the sick donkey.
그들은 아픈 당나귀를 보았다.
They saw thousands of children.
They saw thousands of children.
그들은 수천 명의 어린이들을 인터뷰했습니다.
They say dreaming is free.
They say dreaming is free.
꿈꾸는 것은 공짜라고들 합니다.
They say he committed suicide.
They say he committed suicide.
그들은 그가 자살했다고 말한다.
They say he was fired.
They say he was fired.
그가 해고됐다고 하더군요.
They say he's a hunk.
They say he's a hunk.
그를 근육질 미남이라고 하던걸.
They say I'm so precise.
They say I'm so precise.
그들은 내가 그처럼 정확하다고 이야기합니다.
They say it doesn't hurt.
They say it doesn't hurt.
그들이 말하길 그건 아프지 않단다.
They say it's haunted.
They say it's haunted.
유령이 있대.
They say never again.
They say never again.
그들이 말하길 다시는 절대 안 된단다.
They say talk is cheap.
They say talk is cheap.
사람들이 말하는 것처럼 말은 쉽다.
They say that you're rich.
They say that you're rich.
사람들은 당신이 부자라고들 합니다.
They say that.
They say that.
사람들이 이렇게 말하곤 하죠.
They say to be careful.
They say to be careful.
조심하라고 합니다.
They say we look alike.
They say we look alike.
그들이 우리를 보고 닮았다.
They say we're playful.
They say we're playful.
장난꾸러기들 이래요.
They scrapped the plan.
They scrapped the plan.
그들은 그 계획을 무산시켰습니다.
They screened all the applications.
They screened all the applications.
그들은 모든 원서를 심사했다.
They searched everywhere.
They searched everywhere.
그들은 구석구석 수색했다.
They searched my luggage thoroughly.
They searched my luggage thoroughly.
그들은 제 짐을 꼼꼼하게 검사했어요.
They seduce innocent women.
They seduce innocent women.
그들은 순진한 여성들을 꿰어냈다.
They see us as both.
They see us as both.
그들은 우리를 그 둘 모두로 보니까요.
They seem a bit cold.
They seem a bit cold.
그들은 좀 차가워 보여.
They seem a little overpriced.
They seem a little overpriced.
좀 비싼 것 같군요.
They seem an ill-assorted couple.
They seem an ill-assorted couple.
그들은 서로 잘 안 어울리는 부부 같다.
They seem happy together.
They seem happy together.
둘이 행복해 보이더군요.
They seem like nice people.
They seem like nice people.
저 사람들 좋은 사람들 같다.
They seem nervous and distressed.
They seem nervous and distressed.
그들은 긴장해 보이고 괴로워 보입니다.
They seem to belong together.
They seem to belong together.
그것들은 함께 속해 있는 것으로 보인다.
They seem to have bonded.
They seem to have bonded.
그들은 유대감을 형성해 놓은 것 같아.
They seem to know everything.
They seem to know everything.
그들은 무엇이든지 알고 있는 것 같다.
They seemed preordained to meet.
They seemed preordained to meet.
그들은 만나도록 미리 운명 지어져 있었던 것 같았다.
They sell hardcore pornography.
They sell hardcore pornography.
그들은 노골적인 포르노물을 판다.
They sell like hotcakes.
They sell like hot cakes.
그것들을 불티나게 팔립니다.
They sell luscious cream cakes.
They sell luscious cream cakes.
그들은 달콤한 크림 케이크를 판다.
They sell shirts on consignment.
They sell shirts on consignment.
그들은 셔츠를 위탁 판매하고 있다.
They sense light through it.
They sense light through it.
그들은 이것을 통해 빛을 감지합니다.
They sent a follow-up survey.
They sent a follow-up survey.
그들이 추가 설문조사 내용을 보내왔어.
They sent it through Facebook.
They sent it through Facebook.
페이스북을 통해서 보내주셨습니다.
They sent it through Instagram.
They sent it through Instagram.
인스타그램으로 보내주셨습니다.
They sent me a parcel.
They sent me a parcel.
그들이 나에게 소포를 보냈다.
They sent me a replacement.
They sent me a replacement.
교환할 새 물건을 보내주었다.
They sent over a repairman.
They sent over a repairman.
수리기사를 보내줬다.
They sent round the cap.
They sent round the cap.
모금 위해 그들은 모자를 돌렸다.
They separated last year.
They separated last year.
그들은 작년에 갈라섰다, 헤어졌다.
They serve authentic Korean dishes.
They serve authentic Korean dishes.
그곳에 가면 정통 한국 음식을 맛볼 수 있다.
They serve fancy dishes too.
They serve fancy dishes, too.
요리도 참 잘해요.
They serve good grub there.
They serve good grub there.
그들은 좋은 음식을 내놓는다.
They served me a steak.
They serve me a steak.
그들은 내게 스테이크를 내놓았다.
They set a high price.
They set a high price.
그들은 높은 가격을 설정했다.
They set forth at dawn.
They set forth at dawn.
그들은 새벽에 길을 떠났다.
They set me up.
They set me up.
그놈들이 나에게 누명을 씌웠다.
They set the bell ringing.
They set the bell ringing.
그들은 종을 치기 시작했다.
They set the engine going.
They set the engine going.
그들이 엔진의 발동을 걸었다.
They set the work type.
They set the work type.
그들은 작품을 활자로 조판했다.
They set their enemies over.
They set their enemies over.
그들은 적을 죽였다.
They set tongues wagging intentionally.
They set tongues wagging intentionally.
그들은 일부러 헛소문을 퍼뜨렸다.
They set us up.
They set us up.
그들이 우릴 함정에 빠뜨렸어.
They settled in Brazil.
They settled in Brazil.
그들은 브라질에 정주했다.
They settled with their neighbor.
They settled with their neighbor.
그들은 이웃과 화해했다.
They sexed it up.
They sexed it up.
그들은 서로 애무했다.
They shampooed my hair.
They shampooed my hair.
그들은 제 머리를 감겨주었습니다.
They shared the family's suffering.
They shared the family's suffering.
그들은 그 가족과 고통을 함께했다.
They shared the same interests.
They shared the same interests.
그들은 공통의 이해관계를 가지고 있었다.
They sharply criticized my action.
They sharply criticized my action.
그들은 내 행동에 매서운 비난을 퍼부었다.
They sheared through the bush.
They sheared through the bush.
그들은 수풀을 뚫고 나아갔다.
They shifted their ground suddenly.
They shifted their ground suddenly.
갑자기 그들은 입장을 바꿨다.
They shirked away.
They shirked away.
그들은 살금살금 내뺐다.
They shook hands and embraced.
They shook hands and embraced.
그들은 악수를 하고 서로 껴안았다.
They shook on the deal.
They shook on the deal.
그들은 그 거래에 대해 합의를 보았다.
They shook their arms nervously.
They shook their arms nervously.
그들은 초조하게 팔을 흔들었다.
They shook with fear.
They shook with fear.
그들은 공포로 떨었다.
They shook with uncontrollable merriment.
They shook with uncontrollable merriment.
모두가 견디다 못해 웃음을 터뜨렸다.
They shot a battle scene.
They shot a battle scene.
그들은 전투 장면을 찍었다.
They shot at me.
They shot at me.
그들은 날 겨냥하여 쐈다.
They should be almost done.
They should be almost done.
그들은 거의 끝났을 거예요.
They should be arriving soon.
그
They should be arriving soon.
그 물건들은 곧 도착할 겁니다.
They should be insured.
They should be insured.
보험에 가입해야 한다.
They should have been frozen.
They should have been frozen.
그거 다 냉동을 했어야 했는데.
They should have studied harder.
They should have studied harder.
그들은 좀 더 열심히 공부했어야 했다.
They should impose steep fines.
They should impose steep fines.
고액의 벌금을 부과해야 한다.
They should just elope.
They should just elope.
걔들은 그냥 도망가서 살걸.
They should not cheat.
They should not cheat.
그들은 속이면 안 돼.
They should not feel bad.
They should not feel bad.
그들은 기분 나쁘게 생각해선 안 돼.
They should not pretend.
They should not pretend.
그들은 가식적으로 행동하면 안 돼.
They should not swear.
They should not swear.
그들은 욕하면 안 돼.
They should sell themselves.
They should sell themselves.
알아서 잘 팔릴 거예요.
They should try new things.
They should try new things.
그들은 새로운 것들을 시도해야 한다.
They shouldn't be uttered.
They shouldn't be uttered.
발언 자체도 하지 말아야 합니다.
They shouldn't leave us alone.
They shouldn't leave us alone.
그들은 우리를 혼자 놔두면 안 돼요.
They shouted in unison.
They shouted in unison.
그들은 일제히 고함을 질렀다.
They shouted jeers at him.
They shouted jeers at him.
그들은 그에게 야유를 퍼부었다.
They shouted themselves hoarse.
They shouted themselves hoarse.
그들은 목이 쉬도록 소리를 질렀다.
They showed kicking techniques.
They showed kicking techniques.
그들은 발차기 기술을 보여줬다.
They showed me every kindness.
They showed me every kindness.
그들은 나에게 온갖 친절을 다 베풀어 주었다.
They showed their nose.
They showed their nose.
그들은 나타났다.
They showered me with freebies.
They showered me with freebies.
공짜로 상품을 무더기로 주더라니까.
They shrugged me off.
They shrugged me off.
그들은 날 무시했다.
They shut their eyes.
They shut their eyes.
그들은 눈 감아줬어.
They sifted through the debris.
They sifted through the debris.
그들은 자네를 샅샅이 살펴보았다.
They signed a confidentiality agreement.
They signed a confidentiality agreement.
그들은 비밀 협정에 서명했다.
They signed a consent form.
They signed a consent form.
그들은 동의서에 서명했다.
They simply couldn't help it.
They simply couldn't help it.
만부득이한 일이었다.
They sing very beautifully.
They sing very beautifully.
그들은 정말 아름답게 노래합니다.
They skidded into the park.
They skidded into the park.
그들은 공원 안으로 미끄러져 들어갔다.
They sleep soundly until morning.
They sleep soundly until morning.
그들은 아침까지 숙면을 한다.
They sleep very deeply.
They sleep very deeply.
그들은 잠을 깊게 잔답니다.
They slided their jib.
They slided their jib.
그들은 이성을 잃었다.
They slipped away unobtrusively.
They slipped away unobtrusively.
그들은 눈에 띄지 않게 살짝 떠났다.
They smell good.
They smell good.
향기가 좋네요.
They smelled up the room.
They smelled up the room.
그들은 방을 악취로 채웠다.
They smited hip and thigh.
They smited hip and thigh.
그들은 적을 사정없이 해치웠다.
They smuggled articles to you.
They smuggled articles to you.
그 사람들이 남모르게 물품들을 너에게 반입해 주었다.
They snared some weasels.
They snared some weasels.
그들은 족제비 몇 마리를 더두로 잡았다.
They snatch him bald head.
They snatch him bald head.
그들은 그를 거칠게 다뤘다.
They snobbishly adulate the rich.
They snobbishly adulate the rich.
그들은 속물근성으로 부자들에게 아첨한다.
They snorted at my suggestion.
They snorted at my suggestion.
그들은 내 제안에 콧방귀를 뀌었다.
They sold him up.
They sold him up.
그들은 그의 재산을 경매에 붙였다.
They sometimes faced inconveniences.
They sometimes faced inconveniences.
그들은 가끔 불편함을 직면했습니다.
They sometimes live in mountains.
They sometimes live in mountains.
그들은 종종 산속에 살기도 하지요.
They sometimes meet secretly.
They sometimes meet secretly.
그들은 가끔 몰래 만난다.
They sought her lost shoes.
They sought her lost shoes.
그들은 그녀의 잃어버린 구두를 찾고 있었다.
They spazzed down here.
They spazzed down here.
그들은 여기에 자리 잡았다.
They speak in laid-back voices.
They speak in laid-back voices.
그들은 냉담한 목소리로 말한다.
They speak Korean.
They speak Korean.
그들은 한국어를 합니다.
They speak very precise English.
They speak very precise English.
그들은 매우 정확한 영어를 구사한다.
They splashed across the stream.
They splashed across the stream.
그들은 철벅철벅 개울을 건너갔다.
They split the sum equally.
They split the sum equally.
그들은 그 돈을 똑같이 나누었다.
They spoil water and air.
They spoil water and air.
그들이 물과 공기를 오염시킨다.
They spoke by the book.
They spoke by the book.
그들은 정확하게 이야기했다.
They spoke every day.
They spoke every day.
그들은 매일 이야기를 나누었다.
They spoke in freedom.
They spoke in freedom.
그들은 자유롭게 말했다.
They spoke in low murmurs.
They spoke in low murmurs.
그들이 낮게 중얼거리며 말했다.
They spoke in muted voices.
They spoke in muted voices.
그들은 낮춘 목소리로 말을 했다.
They spoke in whispers.
They spoke in whispers.
그들은 소곤소곤 말했다.
They spoke well of you.
They spoke well of you.
그들은 너에 대해서 좋게 말했어.
They staged a protest march.
They staged a protest march.
그들은 항의 데모를 벌였다.
They stamped the fire out.
They stamped the fire out.
그들은 발로 밟아 불을 껐다.
They stand around all day.
They stand around all day.
그들은 온종일 서성대고 있었어요.
They stand in line.
They stand in line.
그들은 일렬로 서 있다.
They stand out.
They stand out.
그들은 눈에 띈다.
They start acting like that.
They start acting like that.
그렇게 행동하기 시작해요.
They start making a seesaw.
They start making a seesaw.
그들은 시소를 만들기 시작해요.
They start with the ships.
They start with the ships.
우주선부터 트집을 잡기 시작했어요.
They start work at dawn.
They start work at dawn.
그들은 동이 틀 무렵에 일을 시작한다.
They started booing.
They started booing.
사람들이 야유하기 시작하더라.
They started on an expedition.
They started on an expedition.
그들은 원정에 올랐다.
They started to flight.
They started to flight.
그들은 싸우기 시작했다.
They stepped onto the bridge.
They stepped onto the bridge.
그들은 다리 위로 올라갔다.
They still spend.
They still spend.
아직도 사용하고 있지?
They stomped upstairs.
They stomped upstairs.
그들은 쿵쾅거리며 위층으로 올라갔다.
They stood beyond hearing.
They stood beyond hearing.
그들은 들리지 않는 곳에 섰다.
They stood facing each other.
They stood facing each other.
그들은 마주보고 서 있었다.
They stood in silence.
They stood in silence.
그들은 아무 말 없이 서 있었다.
They stood shoulder to shoulder.
They stood shoulder to shoulder.
그들은 나란히 서 있다.
They stopped running at midnight.
They stopped running at midnight.
밤 12시에 운행을 마친다.
They stopped fighting.
They stopped fighting.
그들은 싸움을 멈췄다.
They stopped paying her expenses.
They stopped paying her expenses.
그들은 그녀의 비용 지불을 중단했다.
They stopped running it yesterday.
They stopped running it yesterday.
어제 상영이 끝났습니다.
They stopped to smoke.
They stopped to smoke.
그들은 멈춰서서 담배를 피웠다.
They strengthen our relationships.
They strengthen our relationships.
유머와 즐거운 커뮤니케이션은 우리의 관계를 더 돈독하게 해준답니다.
They strike me as abnormal.
They strike me as abnormal.
그들은 이상하게 느껴진다.
They strip me naked.
They strip me naked.
그들은 나를 벌거벗겼다.
They strolled among the crowds.
They strolled among the crowds.
그들은 군중들 속에서 천천히 걸었다.
They struck for higher pay.
They struck for higher pay.
그들은 임금 인상을 요구하며 파업을 했다.
They struggled for survival.
They struggled for survival.
그들은 살아남기 위해 고군분투했다.
They struggled gamely.
They struggled gamely.
그들은 용감하게 싸웠다.
They struggled one against another.
They struggled one against another.
그들은 서로 싸웠다.
They stuck by their decision.
They stuck by their decision.
그들은 자신들의 결정을 고수했다.
They studied about face pareidolia.
They studied about face pareidolia.
그들은 변상증에 대해 연구했습니다.
They study living things.
They study living things.
그들은 살아있는 것들을 연구해요.
They study many different subjects.
They study many different subjects.
이들은 여러 가지 과목을 공부한다.
They subsisted by begging.
They subsisted by begging.
그들은 구걸로 근근히 연명했다.
They substituted coal for oil.
They substituted coal for oil.
그들은 석유 대신에 석탄을 사용했다.
They suddenly turned about face.
They suddenly turned about face.
그들이 갑자기 그 태도를 180도 바꾸었다.
They sued him for trespassing.
They sued him for trespassing.
그들은 그를 무단 침입죄로 소송했다.
They sued him over it.
They sued him over it.
그들은 그 이름에 대해 비를 고소했다.
They suffer from dirty water.
They suffer from dirty water.
그들은 더러운 물로 고통받고 있다.
They suffer from noise.
They suffer from noise.
그들은 소음으로 고통받고 있다.
They suffered dreadful injuries.
They suffered dreadful injuries.
그들은 무시무시한 부상을 당했다.
They suffered for high treason.
They suffered for high treason.
그들은 반역죄로 처벌받았다.
They suffered from a flood.
They suffered from a flood.
홍수로 수해를 입었다.
They suggested several possible reasons.
They suggested several possible reasons.
연구팀은 몇 가지 이유가 될 만한 것들을 제시했다.
They supplied sufferers with clothing.
They supplied sufferers with clothing.
그들은 이재민들에게 의류를 주었다.
They supplied us with foods.
They supplied us with foods.
그들은 우리에게 먹을 것을 제공해줬다.
They sure are bickering.
They sure are bickering.
그들은 확실히 말다툼이 있습니다.
They sure beat fast food.
They sure beat fast food.
패스트푸드보다 당연히 좋겠지.
They sure did.
They sure did.
그들은 그것을 해냈다.
They surprised me with presents.
They surprised me with presents.
그들은 선물로 날 놀라게 했다.
They surrendered to the enemy.
They surrendered to the enemy.
그들은 적에게 항복했어요.
They swallow their food whole.
They swallow their food whole.
그들은 음식을 통째로 삼킵니다.
They swam for dear life.
They swam for dear life.
그들은 필사적으로 헤엄쳤다.
They swear they didn't.
They swear they didn't.
그들은 안 했다고 했어요.
They swim like real fish.
They swim like real fish.
그들은 진짜 물고기처럼 수영을 해요.
They swore eternal friendship.
They swore eternal friendship.
그들은 영원한 우정을 맹세했다.
They tailed after the procession.
They tailed after the procession.
그들은 행렬의 뒤를 따라갔다.
They take a dust bath.
They take a dust bath.
흙 목욕이라는 것이죠.
They take every complaint seriously.
They take every complaint seriously.
그들은 모든 불만 사항을 진지하게 받아들인다.
They take everything for granted.
They take everything for granted.
그들은 모든 것을 당연하게 여긴다.
They take honey to us.
They take honey to us.
그들은 우리에게 꿀을 가져다 준다.
They take it for granted.
They take it for granted.
그들은 그것을 당연하게 여긴다.
They take it very sensitively.
They take it very sensitively.
그들은 그것을 민감하게 받아들입니다.
They take off their shirt.
They take off their shirt.
상의 탈의가 있어요.
They take pictures together.
They take pictures together.
그들은 함께 사진을 찍는다.
They take their dogs everywhere.
They take their dogs everywhere.
그들은 맛있는 음식을 먹인다.
They take you to movies.
They take you to movies.
그분들은 여러분과 영화를 보러 간다.
They talk all night long.
They talk all night long.
그들은 밤새도록 이야기했다.
They talk French together.
They talk French together.
그들은 서로 프랑스어로 말한다.
They talked for a bit.
They talked for a bit.
그들은 잠깐 동안 대화를 나누었다.
They talked in English.
They talked in English.
그들은 영어로 대화했다.
They talked like old pals.
They talked like old pals.
그들은 마치 오래된 친구처럼 이야기를 나누었다.
They taste like honey.
They taste like honey.
그건 꿀 같은 맛이야.
They taught me to wrestle.
They taught me to wrestle.
그들이 내게 레슬링을 가르쳐 주었다.
They teach the little ones.
They teach the little ones.
그들은 어린아이들을 가르친다.
They teach you many things.
They teach you many things.
그들은 많은 것을 여러분에게 가르칩니다.
They tell me it's constipation.
They tell me it's constipation.
그들은 내게 그것이 변비라고 말한다.
They think it's haunted.
They think it's haunted.
사람들은 여기서 유령이 나온다고 생각한다.
They think they know everything.
They think they know everything.
자기들이 모든 걸 다 안다고 생각해.
They threw us out.
They threw us out.
우릴 쫓아낸 거 있지.
They tied for second place.
They tied for second place.
그들은 2위 다툼에서 비겼다.
They tied the knot.
They tied the knot.
그들은 결혼했어.
They tinkered with my car.
They tinkered with my car.
그들은 제 차를 수리했어요.
They took a prosthetic leg.
They took a prosthetic leg.
그들이 의족을 가져갔다고요?
They took all the glasses.
They took all the glasses.
잔은 다 가져갔어요.
They took down the shutters.
They took down the shutters.
그들은 덧문을 열었다.
They took him, went north.
They took him, went north.
북쪽으로 끌려가셨습니다.
They took his job.
They took his job.
그들이 그의 일을 맡았다.
They took it for granted.
They took it for granted.
그들은 그것을 당연시 여겼다.
They took me by surprise.
They took me by surprise.
그들은 나를 놀라게 했다.
They took our jobs.
They took our jobs.
그들이 우리 일을 맡았다.
They took our parking spot.
They took our parking spot.
그들이 우리 주차 구역을 차지했어.
They took out 232 teeth.
They took out 232 teeth.
그들은 232개의 치아를 빼냈습니다.
They took sanctuary in Seoul.
They took sanctuary in Seoul.
그들은 서울에서 안식을 얻었다.
They took the top 3.
They took the top 3.
그들은 제일 좋은 것 3개를 선택했다.
They took up our song.
They took up our song.
그분들이 우리 거 다운 받았잖아요.
They tossed unsold food away.
They tossed unsold food away.
그들은 팔리지 않은 음식을 버렸다.
They touched each other intimately.
They touched each other intimately.
그들은 서로를 애무하듯 만졌다.
They towed abandoned cars.
They towed abandoned cars.
그들은 버려진 차들을 견인해 갔다.
They towed the car.
They towed the car.
그들은 차를 견인했다.
They trade in foreign currencies.
They trade in foreign currencies.
그들은 외화로 거래한다.
They train for 4 hours.
They train for 4 hours.
그들은 4시간 동안 훈련한다.
They trained using live ammunition.
They trained using live ammunition.
그들은 실탄을 사용하며 훈련했다.
They translate data for.
They translate data for.
다음에 대한 데이터를 변환합니다.
They translate operational data.
They translate operational data.
작업 데이터를 변환합니다.
They travel back in time.
They travel back in time.
그들은 시간에 맞게 과거로 여행한다.
They travel for business frequently.
They travel for business frequently.
빈번하게 출장을 간다.
They traveled far.
They traveled far.
그들은 멀리까지 여행했다.
They traveled to raise money.
They traveled to raise money.
그들은 돈을 모으기 위해 여행해요.
They treated him with respect.
They treated him with respect.
그들은 그를 존경심을 갖고 대했다.
They treated me.
They treated me.
그들은 나를 치료해 주었다. 그들은 나를 잘 대접해 주었다.
They trotted off the court.
They trotted off the court.
그들은 종종 걸음으로 코트를 걸어 나왔다.
They turn into sunflower seeds.
They turn into sunflower seeds.
그들은 해바라기 씨앗들로 바뀐다.
They turned out something mysterious.
They turned out something mysterious.
괴이한 생명체로 밝혀졌다.
They typically lasted a day.
They typically lasted a day.
보통은 당일 소풍이었습니다.
They unanimously praised her cooking.
They unanimously praised her cooking.
그들은 이구동성으로 그녀의 요리 솜씨를 칭찬했다.
They underestimated their competitor's strength.
They underestimated their competitor's strength.
그들은 그들의 경쟁사의 능력을 과소평가했었다.
They underwent military discipline.
They underwent military discipline.
그들은 군사 훈련을 받았다.
They unveiled a new model.
They unveiled a new model.
그들은 신모델을 출시했다.
They urged him to stay.
They urged him to stay.
그들은 그가 머물도록 설득하려고 했다.
They used a registered trademark.
They used a registered trademark.
그들은 등록된 상표를 사용하였다.
They used separate bedrooms.
They used separate bedrooms.
그들은 따로 분리된 침실을 사용하였다.
They usually argue about that.
They usually argue about that.
둘은 보통 그 문제로 언쟁을 벌이잖아.
They usually hunt at night.
They usually hunt at night.
그들은 보통 밤에 사냥을 합니다.
They usually last 3 months.
They usually last 3 months.
그것들은 대개 3개월 갑니다.
They usually take the bus.
They usually take the bus.
그들은 보통 버스를 타요.
They valued the cacao tree.
They valued the cacao tree.
그들은 카카오 나무를 가치 있게 생각했다.
They videotaped their third mission.
They videotaped their third mission.
동영상으로 찍혀버린 세 번째 미션.
They vindicated themselves.
They vindicated themselves.
그들은 자기의 주장을 옹호했다.
They violated the diplomatic protocol.
They violated the diplomatic protocol.
그들은 외교 의례를 어겼다.
They visited the temple before.
They visited the temple before.
그들은 전에 그 절을 방문했다.
They volunteer regularly.
They volunteer regularly.
그들은 정해놓고 자원봉사를 해.
They voted and picked Pyeongchang.
They voted and picked Pyeongchang.
그들은 투표했으며 평창을 선정했다.
They vowed eternal friendship.
They vowed eternal friendship.
그들은 영원한 우정을 맹세했다.
They waded into the water.
They waded into the water.
그들은 물속으로 저벅저벅 걸어 들어갔다.
They walked their life alone.
They walked their life alone.
그들은 홀로 인생을 걸어간다.
They walked along Fifth Avenue.
They walked along Fifth Avenue.
그들은 5번가를 따라 걸었다.
They walked along the street.
They walked along the street.
그들은 길을 따라서 걸었다.
They walked arm in arm.
They walked arm in arm.
그들은 팔짱을 끼고 걸었다.
They walked around the lake.
They walked around the lake.
그들은 호수를 빙 돌며 걸었다.
They walked briskly.
They walked briskly.
그들은 바삐 걸어갔다.
They walked everywhere.
They walked everywhere.
그들은 어디든 발로 걸어 다녔지?
They walked free from court.
They walked free from court.
그들은 처벌을 받지 않고 법원을 나왔습니다.
They walked me to exhaustion.
They walked me to exhaustion.
그들은 나를 걸려서 녹초가 되게 했다.
They walked on 4 legs.
They walked on 4 legs.
4개의 다리로 걸었다.
They walked over the mountain.
They walked over the mountain.
그들은 그 산을 걸어서 넘었다.
They walked to the station.
They walked to the station.
그들은 정거장까지 걸어갔다.
They walked up to me.
They walked up to me.
그 사람들이 저에게 다가왔어요.
They walked with dragging feet.
They walked with dragging feet.
그들은 무거운 발을 질질 끌면서 걸었다.
They wangled him into confessing.
They wangled him into confessing.
그들은 그를 구슬러 사실을 말하게 했다.
They want to interview me.
They want to interview me.
그들이 저를 인터뷰하고 싶어 합니다.
They want a blood test.
They want a blood test.
그들은 혈액 검사를 받고 싶어 한다.
They want better benefits.
They want better benefits.
그들은 더 나은 혜택을 원해요.
They want forks.
They want forks.
그들은 포크들을 원합니다.
They want some new blood.
They want some new blood.
그들은 새로운 인물이야.
They want the asking price.
They want the asking price.
자기들 요구한 매도가를 유지한대요.
They want the room cleaned.
They want the room cleaned.
그들은 방이 청소되기를 원한다.
They want to become celebrities.
They want to become celebrities.
이들은 연예인이 되고 싶어 한다.
They want to read books.
They want to read books.
그들은 독서를 즐긴다.
They wanted Mary to sing.
They wanted Mary to sing.
그들은 메리가 노래하기를 원했다.
They was just pretending.
They was just pretending.
그들은 그냥 그런 척했다.
They watched in fascination.
They watched in fascination.
그들은 넋을 잃고 바라보았다.
They watched the sun setting.
They watched the sun setting.
그들은 해가 지는 것을 바라보았다.
They watered down the plan.
They watered down the plan.
그 계획을 축소했다.
They waved and smiled.
They waved and smiled.
그들은 손을 흔들었고 미소를 지었다.
They wear matching clothes.
They were matching clothes.
그들은 어울리는 옷을 입고 있어요.
They wear with superior resistance.
They wear with superior resistance.
그것들은 한층 지구력이 있다.
They weave beautiful rugs.
They weave beautiful rugs.
그들은 아름다운 양탄자를 짠다.
They weigh a feather.
They weigh a feather.
그들은 몸이 아주 가볍습니다.
They weigh nearly 130 grams.
They weigh nearly 130 grams.
그들의 몸무게는 130g 정도예요.
They weigh too much.
They weigh too much.
그들은 몸무게가 많이 나가.
They welcomed him with catcalls.
They welcomed him with catcalls.
그들은 그를 야유하며 맞이했다.
They welcomed me warmly.
They welcomed me warmly.
그들은 나를 따뜻하게 환영해 주었다.
They welcomed the well-cured patient.
They welcomed the well-cured patient.
그들은 잘 치료된 환자를 환영했다.
They went all the way.
They went all the way.
그들은 끝까지 갔다.
They went camping last Sunday.
They went camping last Sunday.
그들은 지난 일요일에 캠핑을 갔다.
They went half-earth on dinner.
They went half-earth on dinner.
그들은 저녁을 각자 계산했다.
They went hungry for days.
They went hungry for days.
그들은 여러 날 굶었다.
They went into supper.
They went into supper.
그들은 저녁 식사를 하러 들어갔다.
They went into class.
They went into class.
그들은 수업에 들어갔다.
They went literally gung-ho.
They went literally gung-ho.
그들은 말 그대로 열광했다.
They went on a journey.
They went on a journey.
그들은 여행을 떠났다.
They went on to victory.
They went on to victory.
그들은 나아가 승리를 획득했다.
They went out for dinner.
They went out for dinner.
그들은 저녁 식사하러 나갔다.
They went over budget.
They went over budget.
그들은 예산을 초과했다.
They went over yesterday.
They went over yesterday.
그들은 어제 떠나갔다.
They went overboard.
They went overboard.
너무 심했어.
They went renegade.
They went renegade.
그들은 이탈했다.
They went swimming yesterday.
They went swimming yesterday.
그들은 어제 수영하러 갔다.
They went that away.
They went that away.
그들은 저쪽으로 갔어요.
They went their respective ways.
They went their respective ways.
그들은 각자 따로따로 자기의 길을 갔다.
They went to her rescue.
They went to her rescue.
격추된 조종사를 구하려는 노력이 수포로 돌아갔다.
They went to Pete's house.
They went to Pete's house.
그들은 피트 집에 갔다.
They went to work immediately.
They went to work immediately.
그들은 즉시 일에 착수했다.
They went under.
They went under.
적자가 났어.
They went wild with joy.
They went wild with joy.
그들은 기쁨의 소용돌이 속에 휘말렸다.
They were a great matchup.
They were a great matchup.
그들은 좋은 호적수였다.
They were a little strict.
They were a little strict.
그들은 좀 엄격했어요.
They were a perfect match.
They were a perfect match.
그들은 찰떡궁합이었다.
They were a smashing success.
They were a smashing success.
굉장한 성공이었죠.
They were absolutely approved.
They were absolutely approved.
그들은 절대적인 허락을 받았다.
They were all cookie cutter stuff.
They were all cookie cutter stuff.
다 도토리 키재기였어요.
They were all eyes.
They were all eyes.
열심히 봤어요.
They were all given leave.
They were all given leave.
그들은 다 휴가를 받았다.
They were all perpetually starving.
They were all perpetually starving.
그들은 모두 영구적으로 굶주리고 있었다.
They were all sold out.
They were all sold out.
그건 모두 매진됐다.
They were all wearing white.
They were all wearing white.
그들은 모두 흰옷을 입고 있었다.
They were almost sold out.
They were almost sold out.
그것들은 거의 다 팔렸어요.
They were already there.
They were already there.
그들은 이미 거기 있어?
They were always boasting.
They were always boasting.
그들은 언제나 뽐내곤 했다.
They were always thoughtful.
They were always thoughtful.
그들은 항상 배려심이 깊었다.
They were an instant success.
They were an instant success.
그 인형들은 순식간에 엄청나게 팔렸다.
They were around before dinosaurs.
They were around before dinosaurs.
그들은 공룡 이전부터 지구에서 살고 있었답니다.
They were baking the cookies.
They were baking the cookies.
그들은 과자를 굽고 있었다.
They were basically just shivering.
They were basically just shivering.
그들은 근본적으로 떨기만 했다.
They were better last summer.
They were better last summer.
그들은 지난 여름에 더 좋았다.
They were better than before.
They were better than before.
그것들은 전보다 더 나았습니다.
They were big and white.
They were big and white.
구름은 크고 하얀색이었어요.
They were both really sad.
They were both really sad.
그냥 굉장히 슬픈 노래더라고요.
They were broken during transportation.
They were broken during transportation.
그것들은 운송되는 도중에 깨졌어요.
They were brother and sister.
They were brother and sister.
이들은 오누이였습니다.
They were building web pages.
They were building web pages.
그들은 웹사이트를 만들고 있었다.
They were buried under snow.
They were buried under snow.
그들은 눈 속에 매몰되었다.
They were called elf circles.
They were called elf circles.
그것들은 요정 서클이라고 불려졌다.
They were called route master buses.
They were called route master buses.
그것들은 루트마스터 버스로 불렸다.
They were casually dressed.
They were casually dressed.
그들은 편안한 옷차림을 했다.
They were caught pushing shorts.
They were caught pushing shorts.
그들은 시중에서 마약을 조금 팔다가 걸렸다.
They were caught red-handed.
They were caught red-handed.
그들은 현장에서 잡혔다.
They were caught seeing Steve.
They were caught seeing Steve.
그들은 코카인을 복용하다 걸렸다.
They were condemned of treason.
They were condemned of treason.
그들에게 반역죄가 선고되었다.
They were conducting mock battles.
They were conducting mock battles.
그들은 모의 전쟁을 치르고 있었다.
They were cool about it.
They were cool about it.
크게 문제 삼지는 않았어.
They were corrupted by nihilism.
They were corrupted by nihilism.
그들은 허무주의로 무너졌다.
They were crimes against humanity.
They were crimes against humanity.
그것들은 반인륜적 범죄였다.
They were denounced as spies.
They were denounced as spies.
그들은 스파이로 고발당했다.
They were engaged in conversation.
They were engaged in conversation.
그들은 대화를 나누느라 바빴다.
They were enjoying the holiday.
They were enjoying the holiday.
그들은 휴일을 즐기고 있었습니다.
They were established customs.
They were established customs.
그것들은 확립된 관습이었다.
They were everything you said.
They were everything you said.
그들은 아빠가 말한 대로였어요.
They were few and far.
They were few and far.
그들은 잦지 않았다.
They were for, against, the bill.
They were for, against, the bill.
그들은 의안에 찬성, 반대했다.
They were friends of mine.
They were friends of mine.
그들은 내 친구들이었어.
They were frightened.
They were frightened.
그들은 놀랐다.
They were full of spirits.
They were full of spirits.
그들은 원기왕성했다.
They were fully booked.
They were fully booked.
예약이 끝났습니다.
They were generous.
They were generous.
그들은 관대했어.
They were giveaway items.
They were giveaway items.
떨이 물건이었다.
They were granted refugee status.
They were granted refugee status.
그들은 난민 신분을 부여받았다.
They were growing naturally there.
They were growing naturally there.
그것들은 자연 상태로 자라고 있었다.
They were handling the willow.
They were handling the willow.
그들은 크리켓을 하고 있었다.
They were harangued.
They were harangued.
그들은 비난을 받았다.
They were hardened criminals.
They were hardened criminals.
그들은 죄의식이 둔감해진 범인들이었다.
They were having breakfast.
They were having breakfast.
그들은 아침 식사를 하고 있었습니다.
They were heading north.
They were heading north.
그들은 북진하고 있었다.
They were holding up traffic.
They were holding up traffic.
그들은 교통을 정체하게 했다.
They were honking at me.
They were honking at me.
그들이 나에게 경적을 울려댔다.
They were hopelessly lost.
They were hopelessly lost.
그들은 도저히 어찌할 바를 몰랐다.
They were humiliated beyond endurance.
They were humiliated beyond endurance.
그들은 인내력의 한계를 넘어서는 도저히 참을 수 없는 모욕감을 느꼈다.
They were in affluent circumstances.
They were in affluent circumstances.
그들은 부유하게 지냈다.
They were in good spirits.
They were in good spirits.
그들은 기분이 좋았습니다.
They were in grave danger.
They were in grave danger.
그들은 심각한 위험에 처해 있었다.
They were in low spirits.
They were in low spirits.
그들은 사기가 가라앉아 있었다.
They were in seventh heaven.
They were in seventh heaven.
그들은 기분이 최고조에 달했다.
They were in the minority.
They were in the minority.
그들은 소수당, 파였다.
They were intent on murder.
They were intent on murder.
그들은 살인을 꾀하고 있었다.
They were Italian.
They were Italian.
이텔리 산이었어.
They were itching for leaving.
They were itching for leaving.
그들은 나가고 싶어 어찌할 줄을 몰랐다.
They were jumping for joy.
They were jumping for joy.
껑충껑충 뛰며 기뻐했다.
They were just like Constant.
They were just like Constant.
그들은 그냥 지속적인 것을 좋아했다.
They were kissing and cuddling.
They were kissing and cuddling.
그들은 포옹한 채 키스를 나누었다.
They were later pronounced dead.
They were later pronounced dead.
그러나 끝내 사망했다는 발표가 나왔다.
They were lined up straight.
They were lined up straight.
그들은 일직선으로 서 있었다.
They were lost in vain.
They were lost in vain.
헛되이 버려졌잖아.
They were lovers.
They were lovers.
애인이었대.
They were low on fuel.
They were low on fuel.
그들은 연료가 부족했다.
They were mad at me.
They were mad at me.
그들은 내게 화가 나 있었다.
They were maddened no end.
They were maddened no end.
그들은 몹시 화났다.
They were made for you.
They were made for you.
너한테 정말 잘 어울린다.
They were married yesterday.
They were married yesterday.
그들은 어제 결혼했다.
They were mixing it up.
They were mixing it up.
그들은 싸우는 중이었다.
They were moving quickly.
They were moving quickly.
그것들은 매우 빠르게 움직였었다.
They were murdered last night.
They were murdered last night.
그들은 지난밤에 살해당했다.
They were native Berliners.
They were native Berliners.
그들은 베를린 토박이들이었다.
They were neck and neck.
They were neck and neck.
그들은 막상막하였다.
They were never gonna operate.
They were never gonna operate.
수술할 작정이 아니었어.
They were never right again.
They were never right again.
다시는 정상으로 되지 못했어.
They were never the same.
They were never the same.
그들은 절대 똑같지 않다.
They were nice to me.
They were nice to me.
그들은 내게 잘해줬었지.
They were no longer holes.
They were no longer holes.
그것들은 이제 더 이상 구덩이가 아니었다.
They were not expelled.
They were not expelled.
그들은 퇴학되지 않았어.
They were not put off.
They were not put off.
그것들은 벗겨지지 않아.
They were not watching.
They were not watching.
그들은 보고 있지 않았어요.
They were obsequious and servile.
They were obsequious and servile.
그들은 아첨하며 비굴했다.
They were off sick.
They were off sick.
그들은 병 때문에 쉬었다.
They were off-screen lovers.
They were off-screen lovers.
그들은 실제 연인 사이였다.
They were often symmetrical.
They were often symmetrical.
그것들은 종종 대칭을 이루었다.
They were on cloud nine.
They were on cloud nine.
그들은 기분이 최고조에 달했다.
They were on starvation wages.
They were on starvation wages.
그들은 기아 임금을 받고 있었다.
They were on the take.
They were on the take.
그들은 뇌물을 받고 부정을 저질렀어.
They were on to me.
They were on to me.
그들은 내 생각을 알아챘다.
They were ordered into action.
They were ordered into action.
그들은 실행하도록 명받았다.
They were overwhelmed by numbers.
They were overwhelmed by numbers.
수로 압도당했다.
They were playing dumb.
They were playing dumb.
그들은 시치미를 떼고 있었던 거였다.
They were present.
They were present.
그들은 참석했었어요.
They were prompt to volunteer.
They were prompt to volunteer.
그들은 즉시 지원했다.
They were pumpkin guts.
They were pumpkin guts.
그건 호박 속이었어.
They were real neat freaks.
They were real neat freaks.
그들은 정말 결벽증 환자였다.
They were really cool.
They were really cool.
그들은 정말 멋졌어.
They were refused admittance.
They were refused admittance.
그들은 입장을 거절당했다.
They were relatively small.
They were relatively small.
그것들은 상대적으로 작았다.
They were released yesterday.
They were released yesterday.
어제 출시되었어요.
They were reported missing Saturday.
They were reported missing Saturday.
그들은 토요일에 실종된 것으로 신고되었다.
They were reveling all night.
They were reveling all night.
그들은 밤새도록 흥청대고 있었다.
They were right about that.
They were right about that.
그건 맞는 말이네.
They were rounded up.
They were rounded up.
그들은 일제히 포박되었다.
They were rude and arrogant.
They were rude and arrogant.
그들은 무례하고 오만했어.
They were sampling the sweets.
They were sampling the sweets.
그들은 과자를 시식하고 있었다.
They were selling a PlayStation.
They were selling a PlayStation.
홈쇼핑에서 플레이스테이션을 파는 거예요.
They were sent by courier.
They were sent by courier.
택배로 보냈어요.
They were shitting on her.
They were shitting on her.
그들은 그녀를 비난했다.
They were skimming the money.
They were skimming the money.
그들은 돈을 빼돌렸다.
They were slack in answering.
They were slack in answering.
그들은 답을 늦게 한다.
They were sliding towards bankruptcy.
They were sliding towards bankruptcy.
그들은 파산 상태로 빠져들고 있었다.
They were so beautiful.
They were so beautiful.
튤립은 너무나도 아름다웠단다.
They were so cool. BTS.
They were so cool. BTS.
이때 정말 멋있었어요. 방탄소년단.
They were sold out.
They were sold out.
품절이었다.
They were solicitous to please.
They were solicitous to please.
그들은 남의 마음에 들려고 애쓰고 있었다.
They were sons of light.
They were sons of light.
그들은 그리스도 교도였다.
They were strapped for workers.
They were strapped for workers.
그들은 일손이 부족했다.
They were struggling financially.
They were struggling financially.
재정적으로 고군분투하고 있어서
They were superior in numbers.
They were superior in numbers.
그들이 수적으로 우세했다.
They were supported by scholarships.
They were supported by scholarships.
그들은 장학금을 지급받고 있었다.
They were surprised at first.
They were surprised at first.
친구들도 처음에 굉장히 놀랬죠.
They were talking loudly.
They were talking loudly.
그 둘은 크게 이야기를 했었다.
They were terribly shocked.
They were terribly shocked.
그들은 무서운 충격을 받았다.
They were threefold.
They were threefold.
세 가지 의미가 있죠.
They were tipped off.
They were tipped off.
그들은 귀뜸을 받았어요.
They were too small.
They were too small.
너무 작았습니다.
They were too tight.
They were too tight.
너무 꽉 끼었다.
They were treated for hypothermia.
They were treated for hypothermia.
그들은 저체온증 치료를 받았다.
They were trembling with fear.
They were trembling with fear.
그들은 공포로 떨고 있었다.
They were under a tree.
They were under a tree.
그들은 나무 아래에 있었다.
They were under engagement.
They were under engagement.
그들은 약속한 상태였다.
They were uptown yesterday.
They were uptown yesterday.
그들은 어제 도심을 벗어나 있었다.
They were very calm.
They were very calm.
그들은 매우 침착, 차분했어.
They were very cordial, meticulous.
They were very cordial, meticulous.
그들은 아주 다정하고 꼼꼼했다.
They were very reasonable.
They were very reasonable.
그들은 아주 합리적이었어요.
They were very upset.
They were very upset.
그들은 매우 기분이 상했다.
They were walking and laughing.
They were walking and laughing.
그들은 걸어가며 웃고 있었다.
They were walking single file.
They were walking single file.
그들은 한 줄로 걷고 있었다.
They were wearing matching t-shirts.
They were wearing matching t-shirts.
그들은 커플티를 입고 있었다.
They were wearing waterproof coats.
They were wearing waterproof coats.
그들은 방수 코트를 입고 있었다.
They were Wendy's guests.
They were Wendy's guests.
그 사람들은 웬디의 손님들이에요.
They were wrestling.
They were wrestling.
그들은 씨름을 하고 있었다.
They were your prospective customers.
They were your prospective customers.
그들은 잠재 고객이었어.
They weren't even home.
They weren't even home.
그 사람들은 집에 있지도 않았다.
They weren't following any lead.
They weren't following any lead.
그들은 아무 단서도 없었어.
They weren't having breakfast.
They weren't having breakfast.
그들은 아침 식사를 하고 있지 않았습니다.
They weren't looking our way.
They weren't looking our way.
그들은 우리 쪽을 보고 있지 않았다.
They weren't so it wasn't.
They weren't so it wasn't.
그들은 그랬지 않았기 때문에 그것은 아니었다.
They weren't supermen.
They weren't supermen.
그들은 초인이 아니었다.
They weren't the only ones.
They weren't the only ones.
그들만이 유일하진 않았다.
They hooped it up.
They hooped it up.
그들은 흥청거리며 떠들어댔다.
They will arrive very soon.
They will arrive very soon.
그들은 바로 곧 도착할 것이다.
They will be here presently.
They will be here presently.
그들은 곧 여기에 올 것이다.
They will be here shortly.
They will be here shortly.
그들은 곧 올 것이다.
They will be together forever.
They will be together forever.
그들은 함께 영원히 있을 거야.
They will benefit many families.
They will benefit many families.
이것들은 많은 가정에게 혜택을 줄 것이다.
They will both study.
They will both study.
서로 똑같이 공부하신다고 하네요.
They will choose by lottery.
They will choose by lottery.
추첨으로 뽑을 거예요.
They will criticize us fairly.
They will criticize us fairly.
그들은 우리를 공정하게 비판할 것이다.
They will encounter great difficulties.
They will encounter great difficulties.
그들은 큰 난관에 직면할 것이다.
They will go away soon.
They will go away soon.
그것은 금방 사라질 것입니다.
They will go to jail.
They will go to jail.
그들은 감옥에 가게 될 것이다.
They will hardly come now.
They will hardly come now.
그들은 이제는 올 것 같지 않다.
They will have artificial intelligence.
They will have artificial intelligence.
그것들은 인공지능을 가지게 될 것이다.
They will have it so.
They will have it so.
그들은 끝까지 그렇게 주장한다.
They will meet again Tuesday.
They will meet again Tuesday.
그들은 화요일에 다시 만날 예정이다.
They will meet on Thursday.
They will meet on Thursday.
그들은 목요일에 만날 예정이다.
They will not control us.
They will not control us.
그들은 우릴 조종하지 못할 거예요.
They will not do that.
They will not do that.
그들은 그러지 않을 거야.
They will not force us.
They will not force us.
그들은 우릴 억압하지 못할 거예요.
They will play baseball tomorrow.
They will play baseball tomorrow.
그들은 내일 야구를 할 것이다.
They will play offensively.
They will play offensively.
그들이 막 들이댈 거예요.
They will remember.
They will remember.
그들은 기억할 것이다.
They will resume negotiations tomorrow.
They will resume negotiations tomorrow.
그들은 내일 협상을 재개할 것이다.
They will say anything.
They will say anything.
그들은 뭐든 말할 것이다.
They will seize our property.
They will seize our property.
그들이 우리의 재산을 압류할 것이다.
They will stop degrading us.
They will stop degrading us.
그들은 우릴 타락시키는 걸 멈출 거예요.